Hey everyone, Jerzy Poznar here with Up Close Travel, getting you up close with some of the world's most incredible destinations. Today we're diving into some exciting news from one of the world's most prestigious hospitality brands. Aman Resorts just revealed the name of their first yacht coming out in 2027. It's the Amangati, which means peaceful motion in Sanskrit. But before we talk about Aman's new yacht coming out, if you have any questions, I'm always around. You can call me, email me, or text me. And if you need help planning your next adventure, I'd love to help you do that as well. The Amangati will be a 47-suite luxury vessel. It's currently being built at the prestigious T. Mariotti shipyard in Genoa, Italy. It's scheduled to debut in the Mediterranean in the summer of 2027. The name Amangati embodies the essence of the Aman philosophy by combining their signature tranquility with the soothing experience of ocean travel. For those who are familiar with Aman's ultra-luxury resorts, this nautical extension of their brand promises to deliver the same exceptional standards of service and design that they are known for, but now on the high seas. So what can affluent travelers expect from this floating Aman sanctuary? The Amangati will feature just 47 suites, maintaining the brand's commitment to exclusivity and personalized service. The ship will boast 4 international dining concepts, a sophisticated jazz club, a spacious Aman spa complete with a Japanese garden. This is a signature touch that connects to the brand's Asian roots. One of the most impressive features will be the expansive beach club, offering guests direct access to the water at the stern of the yacht. And for those environmentally conscious luxury travelers, Amangati will incorporate various green technologies, including battery power. The Amangati is positioning itself on the ultra-luxury end of luxury cruising. If you love staying at Aman properties around the world, there's no doubt you love sailing on the waters with Aman. The Amangati will launch in the summer of 2027 in the Mediterranean. They'll be available for several different itineraries, and if you wanted to charter the yacht, you can do that as well. Reservations are not open yet, but stay tuned to this channel and I'll notify you of any changes or if when reservations open up. I'm also going to leave a link in the description. If you would prefer to be contacted by email, you can go ahead and do that as well. The small ship luxury cruise sector is booming right now with the Ritz-Carlton Yacht Collection, Four Seasons yachts coming out in January of 2026, Aman joining in 2027. The Orient Express also has a yacht line coming out, so there's great options if you love luxury cruising. Keep updated on this channel. I'll make sure I pass on all the great information. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.